Hello friends, welcome to Topic Factor English. In today's video our topic is cartoon animation apps. So let's go to our list. Plutagon Stories. Friends, this is a very good app. I recommend it to you to use. It is very easy to use. It has good graphic interface. It is very easy to control and set the characters you want and the background, especially step by step you can set everything, audio, movement and each and everything. In this app you can set your characters, clothes and completely customize it, and also can create new characters. This app is easily available on Play Store and iOS. Jerky Motion. Friends, this is a special type of app which is used to specially to make some jerky type video clips. You can see it has a high amount of controls which you can set, and you can do anything in this app with the characters. It is some kind of a difficult to use, but it gives a high control for the characters, and it is used to make jerky motion type videos, as you can see, and it is easily available on App Store and Play Store. Twincraft Cartoon Maker and Animation app. Friends, in this app you can make whatever you want. There are special type of characters available in this app. You can select the character you want, you can set them, you can change their look, their faces, you can put your own dialogue, you can make them move, you can also edit your voice which you put as your dialogue in this app. This app is very good. You can use it by only logging in it with your Google account. It is easily available on Play Store. Animate Free. Friends, in this app you can only choose 3 characters in a scene, not more than it. In this app you can select your characters movement scene by scene. You can add characters and make them, can remove them, but only 3 in a scene, as you can see on the screen. It is a good interface, user interface. You can completely set each and every character one by one and have a high set of the character. You can even set a tiny little thing by little thing, step by step. It is very easy to use. You can try it if you want, as this app is also easily available on Play Store. Anime8. Friends, this app is basically designed for kids or so much beginners. It has some little amount of animation tools and you can set your character step by step. It is perfect for beginners to get teached how they can use it. It is a very good, easy to use. It has a great interface, as you can see. You can set each and every movement of your character. There is different type of characters available in it, actually a limited amount. You can see it is very easy. If you want, you can use it. This app is also available on Play Store. Making joke of the creator. Friends, this app is basically designed for making funny videos and joke videos. In this app you can build your own character, also set each and everything of this character: face, shirt, pants, hair color, skin color. There you can add glasses, gloves, whatever you want, very easily. It is this app is so much easy to use. Even a child can also use it. And after setting up your character, you can choose your character which are available, as you can now see on the screen. You can choose the character, click on next. You can check the background, you can choose the environment and background which you want and can set it, and easily you can move your character. If you can change their faces, you can then stop the video and can save it in your gallery, and you can also upload it to YouTube directly by this. The app is easily available on Play Store. Kindly subscribe Topic Factor English, and also don't forget to like, share, comment.